What's the word? Well, getting down to crunch time. Just got word today that down to a couple of weeks before I gotta go to the paint. Oh yeah, y'all see I'm putting my uniforms together. Got the brown. Don't try to match the chocolate on the ribbon, you know what I'm talking about? But yeah, I got a lot to do in these next couple of weeks to this car before it go to the paint. So where do I start? First of all, I need to find this chrome piece right here. This is the reason I gotta take the boxes out for sure before it go, cause he gotta fix this dent back here, and I gotta find this chrome trimming for the passenger side so he'll know how to mold all that back. Then on my power blast, I'm finna take out the 4 energy batteries that's back here, and I'm gonna upgrade my AGM batteries. I think my partner want me to go with some Odysseys or something like that. So, upgrade the batteries. I'm gonna go ahead and take this 320 off and see what's the highest I can go. I think I can go a 400 or something like that. Well, with the serpentine belt, I can go whatever I want to go. But I think I heard them say they got a 500 amp alternator, but it get real hot. Something about the heat, so I'm gonna see about a 400. Then I'm tearing all this down right now. I just got these parts in. That's this right here. This should be, let me see. This should be the accumulator. Yep, that's the accumulator. All of the tubing that go with it. All right, we got that in. That's this right here. All the little fittings and stuff that go with it. Then we got let's see. Let's see. Okay. Then we got the brand new evap. That's cool. Then I already got the brand new compressor on there. I ain't even hooked it up yet. It still got the brand new fittings. All my belts new, so that's cool. Now the only thing I couldn't find was a new condenser. But this condenser don't look in too bad of a shape, so I went and got, let's see what we got over here. I got this here, some flush and clean. So I'm gonna try this here. See if I can get that condenser clean on the inside. Make sure it's not clogged up. Make sure it don't have no leaks or nothing. And see, get that, put that back together. Oh yeah, my AC blower motor. Now we all know in them old schools, these old motors here, they blow, but they not about nothing compared to the newer vehicles. So while I got all this open, I'm gonna go to the junkyard tomorrow and check out some other blower motors, and I'm gonna test fit and see what I can get to fit in there. And then that way, whatever I get to fit in there, see what car I get it out of, then I'll put a brand new one in there. Or I use the one from the junkyard until it go out. I just mark down what I got it out of. So that'll be the new evap canister. Change out the office tube right there. My lines, usually them couple of lines right there be alright. And yeah. We'll be ready, I guess after I do that, I'll be ready to put the fender on, put the hood on, make sure everything lined up from when it was wrecked. Pray that it do. If it don't, y'all will see another episode of me taking this car all the way apart, getting rid of it, and finding me another one and doing it again. Yeah, don't care, don't matter. It'll be a setback, but not really. I had a bunch of cars, and ain't no problem. Yeah, y'all. That's about the updates. What I got going on with the Rivet, man. That's why I say I ain't really been posting or putting nothing up, because I've been really getting some stuff out the way up here at the shop. I got that old Cutlass from Galveston. I got my boy rolling. He drove it back to Galveston. You know what I'm saying? He say by the time he made it down there, it was oiled up a little high, but I kind of expected that because the carburetor wasn't just all the way tip top. And I ran some stuff through it, and in the fuel, I ran some stuff through the fuel tank. So probably by the time he drove it to Galveston, it probably had blew it out and opened it up. So now it need to be idled down a little bit, but shit, he left happy, blowing AC. And he drove it on back to Galveston. That's from here to Galveston. If don't nobody know, for y'all that don't know, that's probably about an hour ride, good hour ride if you cruising, you know. Some people get on there and do it in 45 minutes, but you know, you risk the chance of getting pulled over. But a good hour from here to probably where he at, good hour for sure, maybe an hour and 10 minutes. But yeah, been working on some other stuff, man, just stuff. Anybody that have been up here know I always got my hands on something, you know. In the midst of that, trying to get those uniforms together, you know what I'm saying? So I won't be Carlos and Michael and whatever else shirts I had. It's time for some uniforms, you know. But yeah, man, I think I got a new logo. My boy did something that I like. I'm gonna see how that work out. Put me a logo together, trying to get all that together, y'all. In the midst of still playing with this car, taking care of my customers, and then I still got a normal life, you know what I'm saying? So it be a lot going on when you just one person, you know what I'm saying? But it's all good. Like I say, other than that, find these few pieces, and I'm probably finna mess with this AC a little bit tonight, get it broke down. That way tomorrow I can kind of go back with it, get the blower motor set up, and get this condenser blowed out. I might let it soak overnight, blow it out tomorrow, and stuff go right. Might be cranking it up and seeing if we got some AC in this whole thing. So y'all know I'll be showing y'all that if everything come out right with the blower motor and everything is blowing hard on the inside. Yeah. So like I say, y'all, that's what I got going on. I got a lot of footage coming. I'm ready to get this car out the way because I got an SUV that I want to play with. You know, a lot of people might think I'm just into the pop in the trunk. Nah, I like that windy bass too. So I'm thinking about taking my old Yukon. I got an 09 Yukon XL. I'm thinking about doing the chocolate on that, insides. Probably not all chocolate in there, though. I'm kind of coordinated in there, but I got a nice little plan for that, and I might do 12 12s and 2 12Ks in a ported box in the Yukon XL. You know what I'm saying? So once I get this car out the way, I can start focusing on my SUV. Because I gotta have that SUV back. I had old Tahoe. I had 8 sundown 10s in it in a ported box. And man, that truck was a monster. It was a monster. It sounded damn good. So I'm gonna do that again too. So I got a lot of stuff coming up. I'm gonna get that started one day, but that's later on down the line, but I'm gonna do it. But yeah, y'all, I don't know what'll be the next thing I'm gonna post, man. I'm trying to get this old car together so it can go to the paint and come back, and hopefully everything is all right. I can get the top done and keep moving forward and try to get this thing on the road. Until then, people, I'll holler at y'all later.